Hello everyone, and welcome to Bosky's Collection, where all your heroes and villains come alive. Today, I'll be unboxing a figure from Dangayo Kaiyodo Revoltech. This is Gaiking, series number 24. Gaiking was originally created by Go Nagai for a TV series that ran from April 1976 through January 1977. The series consisted of 44 episodes of 25 minutes each. Gaiking is a giant robot fighting against an evil alien force. This is the art box for Gaiking. The cover has a see-through plastic tray inside, Revoltech in red letters, and Gaiking in black at the bottom. This is series number 24. As you can see, I keep some of the accessories inside the box. On the side of the box, we have a red backdrop with an image of the figure, Revoltech logo, Revoltech, and Gaiking number 24. And at the bottom, Kaiyodo, all in white letters. The back of the box has photos of the robot in action, different poses if you will. It has legal description from the company and other important information. And lastly, the final side has some instructions on movement and articulation. It's all written in yellow over a red backdrop. The figure is all plastic with no metal or die-cast parts. The robot stands about 5.5 inches or almost 14 centimeters. The colors resemble the anime colors from the original TV show. It has red wings, red crosses at the knees. It has black, white, and blue for the arms, legs, and neck, complemented by gold horns and a gold dragon chest. The eyes are bright yellow, and the figure doesn't have any light-up parts, so no batteries are needed. Let's check out the articulation. Let's start with the head. The head is placed on a double ball joint that allows the head to move down and up. It can lean to the sides, but there's no turn on the sides because the neck is restricted. The arm is connected by a small peg as well as swappable hands. As you can see, it can only go to 90 degrees at the elbow. The arms can rotate 360 degrees, and the hand can rotate 360 degrees as well. As I mentioned before, it's connected by pegs, that's why it can only rotate. The chest piece is removable. This chest piece is the head of the Daiku-Maryu, or mothership, that detaches when Gaiking enters combat. The chest is a dragon head with horns. The horns become part of the robot head, and the head of the dragon becomes the torso of the robot. The jaws of the chest piece is movable. It swivels up and down. The paint application is very nice. It's got gold metal paint over a black backdrop, so it pops on the shelf. You can attach it back to the robot with pins. The legs can go backwards to about there and forward to about there. An extension to the side is about 45 degrees. The figure has a ratcheted knee for maximum bend. The feet have ball joints as well, so you can rotate them, but they can also go up and down. The bottom of the feet have no threads, only holes for the pegs to click on the base. The knee protectors are red crosses that the robot uses as weapons, swords, or throwing stars. I'll show you the replacement swords when I show you the accessories for the robot. These are the accessories for Gaiking. Standing with the figure stand. It's a simple black V-shaped plastic stand with a peg on top of the stand and a peg at the base for the feet to lock in place. The stand is high enough that you can pose him in the air or standing on the ground. Next, he comes with an assortment of swappable hands. The hands are all molded in plastic, painted in black with some gloss, and they are very small. They have no articulation. They connect with a peg to the wrist. The figure comes with 2 fireball throwing hands with small holes to attach the fireball. This is the fireball. The fireball he shoots from the nose of the dragon head in his torso. They connect to the hands with this little peg here. These pair are weapon holding hands, basically for the throwing stars or sword pieces. These are the same pieces on the knees that when detached in combat can become swords. They're just red plastic. And he comes with 2 of those. This is a gesturing hand. This one is a ground landing hand pose. And the figure has 2 fists right now. These are the accessories for Gaiking. This has been my review of Gaiking from Dangayo Kaiyodo Revoltech. If you have enjoyed this video, please like it, comment and share with your friends and other fellow collectors. Please show your support by subscribing to my channel. And if you do, hit the bell notification so that you can be alerted when more content is uploaded. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.